Here we steer the airplane into position, and as it slowly begins to roll, we advance the thrust levers to the takeoff position. As we gather speed, I switch my directional control from the nose wheel steering handle to the rudder pedals, and upon reaching 125 knots, I ease the control column back, pulling the nose up to about 15 degrees and allowing the airplane to lift off and climb. On touchdown, I'll lower the nose smoothly, raise the speed brakes, apply reverse thrust, and gently brake to a stop.